Hello guys, so today we have a new camera. Actually, it's not new, it's used guys. So yeah, we have a gray box here. Yeah, so at least you have idea already what's the gray box. So again guys, it's yes, charan. Baliktad. Yeah, yeah. It's like a Deluxe Type 109. So again guys, I think this is a 2018 model guys of a camera, but we will check, we will unbox, and we will try the camera for vlogging and for photography. So I will show some sample photos taken by the camera. Okay guys, but before without further ado, before we're gonna unbox the product, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated whatever video that I will upload. So again guys, let's start unbox this. Okay, so sambang nito. Okay, here. Oops, and yes, this is the typical box of a Leica. So again guys, ito nga nakalagay dito yung contact details of the guy. Sa I think Leica, he bought in Germany. Yeah. You have the manual, of course, and the CD, which is hindi ko alam para saan, maybe manual also, and also yung manual. So halatang hindi nagbasa ang may-ari nito. Ayan o, diba? So preto pa. Then ayan, unang layer pa lang ng box, andito na yung mga natin, contain, what's the contain on the box. So ayan, papansin nyo dito kung ano yung mga nakalagay dito. So ayan, sesaya na natin guys. Again, so bago tayo punta sa camera, of course, eto, unang-una ang ating Leica charger, battery charger, which is the BC DC15. Ayan guys. Okay. Tapos andito ang ating battery, which is the BP DC15E. So ayan guys, so parang katulad na siya ng Leica Q. It's almost similar with the Leica Q, smaller, but smaller than Leica Q. So because I think this is like a Panasonic battery type. Okay, so ayan na ang ating cord charger, which is for dito sa Middle East, you have 3 pin, o yung may ground na tinatawag nila. So eto, mayroon tayong maliit na, kala mo coin force, diba? Kulit eh, parang pouch na maliit. So ayan, ang small flash. Yes, meron siyang extra flash. Okay, you have the USB USB-A to micro USB. I don't know how many pin this, but yeah, it's a micro USB. So again, we have again some type of, I think it's Europe, I don't know, this kind of cord. And of course, ang ating camera guys. Again guys, yes, ito ang ating camera. So it's not a brand new, but slightly used lang guys. So hindi siya masyadong mahilig kukuha ng street photography ang may-ari nito. So ayun, kaya kinuha natin. So try natin i-biro din guys. Ito siya, yung screen niya is already fixed, hindi siya flip screen. Viewfinder. So ito, makikita natin yung mga buttons dito. Madalim ba? So try natin. Yun. Op. Okay, so ito yung front natin, EVF Wi-Fi. Again guys, may Wi-Fi na to. And here, the lens is also a fixed lens guys. So the lens is equivalent for 24 or 24-75 or 24-70. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko lang sa camera, which is yung ano niya, aspect ratio. Yes, aspect ratio nandito na nandito na sa lens. So you have the 3:2, 16:9, and 1:1, and 4:3 aspect ratio. So ayan guys, so ayan nakalagay dito, the Leica Deluxe Type 109. So So actually Leica Deluxe lang. So ayan, I think there is bago new edition, which is the Leica Deluxe 7. So before 7 ito yon, which is type 109. And again, the aperture 7 aperture. So yeah, it's good for low light. So check na lang natin yung mga sample photos using this camera, and also vlog. We'll try to use this as our vlog camera o vlogging camera. O, ganun ba? So ayan guys, stay tuned lang at pakita natin yung mga sample footage ng camera. Yan guys, so back to the vlog. Ayan. So we try now the quality of the Leica Deluxe type 109. So ayan, napaka-compact. Wala nang hassle, diba? Hindi na mabigat. So let's see, we'll check the quality of the video of this camera. So I'll show you guys the Leica. Okay. So ayan lang guys, diba? Ang hawak natin napakaliit. Kaya hindi na siya mabigat. Pero check natin yung quality. Ganun nga lang, hindi siya tilt screen. So hindi ko makita yung angle of view niya first. Tapos ang sound quality, so ang audio, wala tayong mic input. So ang audio nito is direct from the camera, the built-in audio. So yan, di natin alam. So check na lang natin mamaya. Tingnan natin. Ayan, shoutout kay Brian. Wala ko nakikita sa camera pero bahala. Total wide naman siya. So let's see guys. Okay guys. Awas. Okay. Hello guys. So ito nga tayo, nandito tayo sa AED World. So ayan, ang aming logo, down front ng aming AED World. So yan ang aming front. So today I have the Leica Deluxe type 109. So we'll check the quality together with the Xeon Crane M2 guys. So the stabilizer. So check natin yung dalawa, kung compatible ba sila sa regarding for the weight. So as of now, I think I tried for a couple of minutes already the Xeon Crane M2 with the Leica Deluxe TL2 and Deluxe type 109. So it's good guys. I think it's a good combination. So we'll try to go to the showroom, inside the showroom. Itutur ko kayo. Or tour you. Yan. So dito ang aming Sigma lenses. Yan. Punta tayo dito. Makita nyo si Julius na nag-assemble ng ano yan? It's a Godox FL Flex. Yan. Yan, FL60. So this is ang aming video area. Yan, itong video area. Dito meron tayong stool o glass na pang Sony area natin. So yan guys. So dito camera natin. So again, kubuta ka sa area dito, Canon, DJI, LED light, ring lights, DJI area, crane, studio lighting, tripods, dito. Yan. Andito yung bagong-bago natin. Ito. Ang tawag dito. It's a Insta360. Sige ba? Nako.
إذا وصلنا HDMI وأخذنا SD يصير أفضل صح؟ SSD card.
Talagang ba?
تكون ذات
طبعا كده بجد انا كنت عليه